Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to join yarn ends together easily. This will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have two yarn ends, and I'm going to show you how to join them together easily. There are a few different methods. This is a method that I like to use because it gives you a strong knot and the knot isn't too big. And essentially what we're going to be doing is a quadruple knot. That's the idea. It's a quadruple knot. So here are the two ends of yarn, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do this. It'll be very quick, very straight to the point. So pay attention and you'll be able to do this in basically no time at all. You'll be able to learn it really, really easily. Get your two ends, okay? Make an X with those two ends, okay? So you have an X with those two ends. As you can see right here, we have an X. I'm going to pick one end and I'm going to bring it around and through, just like that. Okay, we now have basically almost like a single knot. Think about it like that. I'm going to get some more slack, so I'm getting a decent amount of slack right now. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get these two ends now. I'm going to make another X, just like that. We have another X, and I'm going to bring one end around and through, just like that. Now we have a double knot, and we have four ends. I have two ends on my fingers here, and then two ends on my other fingers down here. Okay, two ends with up here and two ends down here. We're going to take all four of those ends, and we're going to pull them apart. That's your double knot, okay? Don't go crazy, just pull them apart decently, okay? Now we're gonna do the same thing. We can let go of the bottom ones over here, okay? We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna turn it into a triple knot by taking these loose ends, creating another X, okay? And with your X, you're gonna bring one end through once again, okay? And now we don't need four ends, we just need the two ends, okay? Bring it apart, bring them apart like that. That's your triple knot. And then the same thing again. With these two ends, these two loose ends, make another X, okay? And with your X, you're gonna bring one end through, bring it around and through just like that. Okay, sort of wrapped it around and through. And then just the two ends, pull them apart. You now have your quadruple knot. That's a nice, strong knot. At this point, it's not that big. Like the thing is, it's bigger than other knots, but it's stronger than other knots, right? And you can clean it up. You can make it look a little bit cleaner however you want to. Use your discretion. Always don't trim off too much, right? Because if you trim off too much, you might end up losing the knot. So always don't. I'd rather you trim off a little bit. I'd rather you trim off too little and leave a little too much on there, and see how it works, right? So just use your discretion when you're cleaning it up, when you're trimming those pieces off. But yeah, generally speaking, like, don't trim off too much, but you can clean it up at your own discretion. And that's basically it. I've joined together two ends of yarn. We did a little quadruple knot. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it, and that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.